Welcome to Paige Family Homestead. We're making spaghetti and meatballs in the Instant Pot. Okay, so what we're going to do first is I'm going to saute the onions. And by the way, this is hashtag Let's Instant Pot Michelle. Right? Is that right? Yeah?
Real life with Michelle.
Real life with Michelle. She's doing an Instant Pot thing. So we're going to make spaghetti and meatballs. And I'm going to saute this here. And I'm going to put this on. I got to see this here. There's saute. There's a button that says saute right there. Takes all the magic out of it. And I got a little bit of butter in there to saute it with.
I'll watch that while you do your meatballs.
Okay,
if you want.
and then I'm going to make the meatballs too as well.
Now there's a story as to why we're doing this with the Instapot. Why we're doing this particular meal, which is kind of like endorsing this beautiful Instant Pot for a college or university student or young person starting out on their own. Why is that, Andy? What do we have? The ring's off, yeah.
Well, the reason we're doing it this way is because everything's packed. I had to go out and buy new pepper and new garlic. We haven't got anything here. Everything's packed.
That's it for
I got
spices.
3 plates, that's it. I was thankful I could have my coffee in the morning.
I packed mine, so he had to buy me a new coffee.
Yep, I
We've
did.
got, what, 7 or 8 big Folgers?
Easy. I had enough for a year and a half. The pepper in here as well. Okay.
Oh,
a bit of
so you've got
sauce.
half a pound of pork sausage meat
Yes,
and
and
half
beef.
a pound of lean ground beef.
Ground beef, right. So I put some
Breadcrumbs?
breadcrumbs, that's the word I was looking for. I put some garlic powder in there, some pepper, now a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, give it a little spicy taste, and an egg.
Sorry.
Don't forget the egg. That's good. Oh. Now, I'm also going to put in fake Romano
Parmesan
cheese. Just a little bit.
Okay, I'm going to throw your onions and your peppers in.
There. Okay. Now the messy part. Yes, I washed my hands.
There's no garlic smell in here. It just feels wrong, eh?
Yes.
And here's some saute.
Don't be afraid to get your hands wet in here.
Might need more breadcrumb.
I think.
Whoa.
Yep.
Dish rack has to be packed.
Yeah, that's got to go away.
Yeah. We got 2 more weeks left. We have literally, our helper, literally left us with this.
No can opener.
And no can opener. So Andy's going to use that.
Mega tool. When in doubt, use a man tool, right? You guys got that? I think I might need more breadcrumbs or maybe some more. I feel a little wet stuff.
Well, go, you're cooking.
Okay.
You want me to shake it in? Your hands are...
I was going to say, don't I need more meat?
There you go.
Okay.
Paper towels are beside the stove.
Right.
Okay. Nothing's where it's supposed to be.
I know. Wait till we get to the new place. Oh, that's going to be just as bad. Where's this? It'll be like this. That comes down. That comes down. And then we're replacing the cupboards on top of that.
Oh, we're gutting the kitchen.
Yeah. She's going to have an island. And I'll be kicked off the island a couple times. I know it. I just know it. You're off the island.
I never thought of that. That would have been
Your
good.
mama saw.
So, our account is under review still. We've done the first 2 stages for monetization.
There we go.
Want me to throw them in as you make them? Because it's going.
Sure, yeah.
Just get this meal hopping. So he's just going to brown the meatballs.
Just going to brown the balls. And not cook them all the way through because they got to still cook all the way through with the spaghetti. And I'll even show you how to vent it. Right, Michelle? What, there?
There you go.
Oh.
So we'll get the rest of these made up, bring you back.
Oh, here's the meatballs. They're getting really nice. Really, the smell. If this is smell-o-vision, you guys would be loving this. Oh yeah.
I love a pork beef combo.
Very good. Okay, now we turn this off. Where's the button? I can't see. Where's the cancel? There we go. I did that all by myself. See that, Michelle? All by myself. All by myself. Okay, so now I have to open these cans using man tools.
Dollar store.
Dollar store man
Garden tool.
Hey, it'll work.
Good thing our helper didn't see that. That'd have been packed.
That would have been packed, yeah. Now.
Oh, you don't even have to open the whole can. It's just pouring out.
Yep.
This is kind of what like a college student would have to do. All they need is the Instapot to make the meal.
Okay, 1.5 cans.
Yep.
Oh my God.
Did you pry it open with a knife?
Yeah, I did. No, I did with that man tool. I did. It may take a little while, people, but it will work.
The prep is the longest that this takes.
There we go. That one's done. And we will continue on our way.
Don't do this at home. Use a can opener.
Yes.
Unless you're a college student, then, you know, use caution.
And if you're a college school student, go back to school because you should have a can opener. God darn!
And what's our excuse?
We're just old. That's our excuse.
I remember when we first, you know, start out in life, you go without these little things like can openers. We're in our 60s and we're experiencing life without a can opener.
I tell you, I don't mind telling you, I don't like it. So, half a can, right?
Yeah.
And how do I know it's half a can? I feel. You can feel it.
That's good.
That's good right there, see? I knew exactly when to stop. Okay, now, what I'm going to do is, I got 3 cups of water here.
It came pre-measured.
Right from the water mill. So here we go.
Everyone's thinking, oh my gosh, you're watering down that sauce. Just pay attention now. Follow through.
That's right. Now, I have 1 pound of spaghetti.
We weighed it.
We weighed it.
For real.
That sounded like we weighed it. So I got to break that in half. Whoa. And lay it this way. And then, oops, this way.
It helps prevent sticking.
Sticking, yes. Then, yeah, this way.
Yeah.
And that way again. There. There we go.
So just push the noodles underneath the liquid a little bit.
Yep.
You don't want to stir too much because you got
You don't want to break
meatballs.
it yet until they're cooked through solid. They're just browned, so.
There you go.
There we go.
Here's your
Now,
lid.
we have this thing called a lid. Okay. There we go. Locked, right? Locked and loaded. Now this thing goes this way.
To seal, yep. And then you push you either have a manual or a pressure cook button. You have a pressure cook button, Andy. Down
Okay.
at the bottom right.
Bottom right. Okay, right there. See that?
Yeah.
That's where it is.
And it's right on 8 minutes. That's where you want it.
It's a magic pot.
If it wasn't where you
Yes.
wanted it, you could direct it higher or lower with the minus or plus
Oh,
button.
look what you did. Oh,
It's on.
It's on.
So
Game
we're gonna let it go for 8 minutes, and then we're going to let it sit for 8 minutes,
on. Right.
and then you're going
I'm
to
gonna steam clean the cupboards.
yes.
Okay, here we go. Let's see what we got here.
We thought we were recording, guys.
That's up.
We
Sorry.
missed the seal or releasing.
Look at this.
Ooh.
Oh. You hear that, Chef Boyardee?
We'll get that plated up.
Yep.
That is so quick, eh?
It is.
Nice. We'll be right back. We'll plate that up.
Look at this. For under 8 minutes. I mean 8 minutes. A little bit of Parmesan cheese for the Italian Andy.
And we didn't let it sit for 8 minutes. We
Nope.
did quick release.
We did. Look at this meatball. Oh.
It was explained in the lost footage. Let me see.
Mm.
Whoops. Oh yeah, it smells so good. I love pork and beef meatballs.
Good meatball. Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. Really good.
So for not having any kitchen supplies or spices or anything.
We did pretty good. Mm-hmm. That's great.
Thanks, Michelle, for inviting
Thank
us
you, yeah.
to the
Hashtag
Let's
eat
Instant
Instant
Pot.
Pot. Yeah.
Let's eat.
Let's eat.
That'd be a good one, someone.
If you like this video, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that ding ding ding, that bell, and give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below what you think about the Instant Pot, and what's your fears, what's your hopes.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.